Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be updating my 2021 rolling project pan, and I recorded my last update back in the beginning of May, and I've actually skipped the update in June and now it's beginning of July already, so this would be a 2-month update. So the first item I have is the Guerlain L'Essentiel Natural Glow Foundation, and this, I have to say that I hardly ever use this in the past 2 months, so nothing has really changed. I hope to use it more in the future. And next up I have the Bobbi Brown Intensive Skin Serum Foundation, and this is the foundation I've really been trying to use in the past 2 months. And today when I weighed it, it weighed 125 grams. And in my last update, which was 2 months ago, it weighed 133 grams. So that's pretty impressive. That's a difference of 8 grams. And because of the opaque packaging, I really can't tell how much is left in there, but by holding this up, I really feel like that there's just the tiniest amount left in there, and I really hope to finish it in the next 2 months. And the next item I have is the Fit Me powder for normal to dry skin, and yes, I have finally hit pan on this product. Yay! And that means I've officially hit my goal for this product. Yay! I am so excited. Of course, I will keep on using it. And actually, I hit pan on this in the first few days of June. So it's been a month since, and I have been consistently using it. But for this project, I will be rolling this out because I've hit my goal of hitting pan on this product. And stay tuned to the end for what I'm rolling in next. So next item I have is the Becca Mineral Blush in the shade Wild Honey. And to be honest, I haven't really been using this recently. It's actually because that since my last update, I've dyed my hair. I'll insert a picture over here. So I just felt like my new hair color didn't really fit with the warm tones. So that's why a few of the products in this project pan haven't been used much for the past 2 months, and now that the color is pretty much all washed out, I think you still see a little bit near my roots, but it's nearly all washed out, and that means I should be able to get back to some of the warmer tones. So my goal for this blush was to use it just 50 times, and so far I've only used it 9 times. So I've still got 41 more times to go. And next up I have the Kate eyeshadow palette, and my goal for this is to hit pan on this shade over here, which I use as a nose contour. And this shade I have been using consistently in the past 2 months. I feel like I've had a little bit more progress, but still haven't hit pan yet. Next up, another eyeshadow palette. This is the NARS Mini Orgasm eyeshadow palette, and my goal for this product is to hit pan on this shade right here. And as you can see, this is pretty corally orangey shade, and like I mentioned earlier, I haven't been using those shades too much since I colored my hair, and now that my hair is back to more of a neutral tone, I should be able to use these shades more often than I did. Next up, I have the Shiseido Minimalist Wit Powder Blush in the shade Momoko 03. And my goal for this product is to use it all up. So far, I've been having pretty good progress, in my opinion. And today I weighed it. It still weighs 85 grams. And because of its shade, so for the same reasons, I haven't used it too much in this past 2 months. However, I could really see that this product has settled down to the bottom of the container, and I really got that depth into the product. So although this is like a cream type of product, which does move around, so you can't really tell how much you've used up just by looking at it. By now, I feel like that I could really tell that the product has gone down from its original state. So pretty good progress in my opinion. Next up, I have the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, which I rolled in my last update. And my goal is to use this up, and I think clearly I haven't reached my goal. There's still plenty of product in it, and I feel like I have used it quite a bit though, so maybe I should use it even more. And let's hope that I can actually finish it by the end of this year. And next up, I have the Guerlain L'Or primer, which I also rolled in my last update, and my goal is to finish this. And as you can see, I am almost there, so I am pretty confident that I can finish this by my next update, which hopefully will be in just 1 month instead of 2. Hopefully I don't skip on this one again. And the last item that is currently in the project is this NARS Orgasm Infatuation Cheek Palette, and my goal is to use it 25 times, and yes, I did reach my goal, so which means I will be rolling this out and rolling a new item in. Just a quick recap, I hit my goal on this face palette as well as this face powder, a total of 2 items, so I will be rolling in 2 new items. The first new item is a loose powder, and it is in a mini size. This is the Kat Von D Lock-It Setting Powder in translucent. I got this, I'd say, at least 2 years ago, if not 3. And I think it was one of the Sephora birthday gifts. So anyways, it's been a while, and I think it's time for me to start using it and hopefully to finish it. So my goal is to use this up. I won't be weighing this just because it's only 1.4 grams, and my scale only has grams and doesn't have decimals, so I don't think that would be much of a difference until I finish it. So I wouldn't be able to see too much progress by weighing it. I'll just have to eyeball it, I guess. And the second new item I'm rolling in is another face palette by NARS. This is the NARS Overlust face palette, and I believe it has 3 highlights and 3 blushes. At least that's how I use it. Actually I use the 3 blushes as blushes, and for the highlights, 2 of these 3 highlights are actually a little bit too deep for me, so I kind of use them just as a shimmery blush. Still works really nice. And for this item, my goal will be to use it 25 times, just like the other face palettes I've rolled in to this project. So that concludes my 2021 rolling project pan update. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That really means a lot to me. And if you'd like to see more content and more updates, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.